Hello, I'm Ellie Little, author, professional money manager, and the creator of Technical Analysis Today. As a former software engineer, a trader for more than 3 decades now, I've put a lot of effort into modeling the markets and making them simpler. So the results of these efforts is embodied in the term Neoclassical Technical Analysis, NEOTA for short. Whether you're a trader or an investor, the goal is the same. You want to be consistently profitable. But to do this, you need 3 trading and investment components to come together. Great tools, great ideas, and great investment and portfolio management. At TAToday, we provide these needed tools and these services. Whether you're a long-term investor or a short-term trader, whether you trade stocks, sectors, or the general markets, or even options on them, NEOTA applies to you. There are 2 critical components to the neoclassical model. One is trend, one is timing. Let's consider trend first. A tool I created for visualizing trend is called the Trading Cube, which highlights all key trend characteristics. For example, trend provides direction, which tells you which way to be positioned. Not all trends are created equal. Some are weak, some are strong, and we denote this on the Trading Cube with red and green characteristics, where red is suspect, green is confirmed. Trend has a life cycle. It's like a light bulb. It comes into existence, exists for some period of time, and then eventually fades away. In NEOTA, we measure this through something we call MTTF, which is the mean time to failure. This shows you how long the trend has been in existence, what the cumulative probability of failure is for the very next bar. Trend persists on multiple time frames for multiple related instruments. There's a trend for the stock market on the short, the intermediate, and the long-term time frames. There's a trend for the sector, as well as a trend for the general market. These are the critical components of trend. When taken as a whole, they tell you which way your portfolio should be positioned. The other primary component of neoclassical TA is timing. The TAToday charts are the primary means of timing because they graphically show supply and demand on the charts. Knowing where supply and demand exist on the charts allows you to determine your risk versus your reward and the probability of your success. In NEOTA, we determine this by measuring supply and demand on all time frames simultaneously. The daily chart, the weekly chart, and the monthly chart. So let's get started. At TAToday, it doesn't matter if you are new to trading or a seasoned veteran, new to NEOTA, or you already understand it. Whether you are a trader or an investor, we can help you become consistently profitable. So how do we do this? If you are seeking investing or trading education, or whether you want a seasoned investor to help you identify when to be in and when to be out of the market, this service gives you access to a wealth of information, educational and trading, round the clock, 24 hours a day. This service comes with a working man's portfolio that I actively manage, that educates and helps you to stay on the right side of the market. It contains investment and trading positions complete with entry and exit criteria, daily and weekly reviews of the market, and much more. The TAToday tools, where you get a comprehensive, integrated set of tools that provide complete charting and Trading Cube coverage of some 7,000 stocks in all U.S. equity markets, as well as a growing number of other country-specific markets like Canada, Australia, and others. Shareable watch lists that are integrated with all other tools so that you can easily monitor and manage your positions of interest. A stock monitoring tool that alerts you to any stock you are monitoring, eliminating the need to set and reset alarms with your broker. Daily trading signals, which alerts you to any trades and investments that have the potential to be great, as described in my 3rd book, Trend Trading Setups. And much more, like scanning tools based on qualified trend and mean time to failure. There's no other tool set quite like ours, and nothing that begins to approach the accuracy of NEOTA. Thanks, and I look forward to serving your needs and helping you to become consistently profitable.